Blogger was essential for the whole course, but also had great importance for the research and planning stages. I used Blogger to easily store my work. For an example, Blogger was able to allow me to make labels to place my work to which label would be most fitted for it. The labels were planning, research, construction, and evaluation. The planning label would include blog posts of planning sheets, storyboards, animatics. The research label would include blogs about different music videos. The construction label would have blog posts of the music video, drafts of the music video, and also blogs about how the filming went each week. The evaluation label would include all of my evaluation questions. YouTube was also very important for the construction process. YouTube was where I would post the drafts of my music video. This allowed me to get a lot of feedback of how I could improve. Ultimately, because of this, my music video was filled with things which the audience wanted to see. Now, to get people to watch my music video, I got the music video spread through social networking sites like Twitter and Facebook. Through people sharing the post of my music video on Facebook and retweeting it on Twitter, it led to more people knowing about the music video, which led to me get a lot of more views and also a lot of feedback on it. These social networking sites were brilliant for spreading the word of my music video. Another thing that I used was the Apple Mac computers throughout the whole process. This type of hardware was essential, as this was what I used to be able to go on my blog and to go on YouTube. This was very useful because without the Apple Mac, it would not be possible for me to access software such as YouTube, Blogger, and also Final Cut Express and other different types of software. Therefore, the Mac also worked hand in hand with these types of software. But on the other hand, sometimes there would be problems with the Mac. Sometimes the internet connection would be very slow. Therefore, I had to resort to using a normal computer and an iPad to access YouTube and Blogger. Final Cut Express was by far one of the most important types of software I used for the construction phase. Final Cut Express was used to edit and manipulate video clips in the making of my music video, while also keeping the same quality. Using this software allowed me to edit the video clips efficiently and also easily match up the video with the audio of the actual song. This led to the music video actually looking like the character was singing the lyrics of the song. I also used Final Cut Express for the research phase. My Vox Pop was edited on Final Cut Express, so it made it much easier when it came to editing for my music video. And also because I used Final Cut in the AS, so it was easier for me to do it when I did A2 because I already knew about how to use the software. I also used SurveyMonkey in the planning stage of the course. SurveyMonkey was very important for the audience research and other very important questions I needed to ask the audience. For an example, through SurveyMonkey, I asked the public if I should have a main character in the video or have a boy band. The majority of people said they would like there to be just a main character, so I went with it. Most people found it very easy and non-time consuming to go on SurveyMonkey, as it is easily accessible through Facebook and Twitter. Instagram was also vital in the construction stage of the course. This was useful because I could show my followers sneak peeks of what I had done so far for the music video. This led to them being enticed, and it also persuaded them to want to watch it once it's released. I also used the video camera during the construction stage. In terms of my music video, the camera was the fundamental part for filming. The camera I used was high definition, so the video was in very good quality. But on the other hand, we had to use tapes in the camera, so sometimes important shots would be erased, not realizing that I was filming over them. This was very time consuming. It would have been better if we could have used memory cards. While filming, I used a tripod and sometimes a Steadicam. The tripod was much needed for still shots, whereas the Steadicam was very useful for moving shots. Photoshop was very important during the construction stage. I used this software for the production of my magazine and digipack. This was the first time I used Photoshop, so at the beginning it was rather difficult, but eventually I got used to it and it became much easier.